Hi everyone, welcome to our first video of DevOps series. If you are new here or you are just curious about DevOps, don't worry, we are starting from the scratch. Today we are going to talk about what DevOps actually is. Think of it as our culture, a way of working where development and operations come together as a one team. And the goal is simple: deliver software faster with a better quality and a fewer headaches. So let's begin our journey. So now the big question is, what exactly is DevOps? A lot of people think DevOps is just about tools like a Docker or a Jenkins, but honestly it's way more than that. It's a mindset. It's about teamwork, communication, and a ton of automation. Developers and operations don't stay separately anymore. They collaborate so software get delivered smoothly and quickly. Why do we need DevOps? Let me explain. Before DevOps, releases were slow, most tasks were done manually, and errors were super common. And the most worst part, if something broke, developers blame operations and operations blame developers. DevOps fix all of that. It brings automation, proper collaboration, and a much faster delivery process. Basically, everything becomes smoother. Now let's talk about the DevOps lifecycle. And it's really want you to imagine this like an infinite loop. Why? Because the process never stops. You plan, you code, you build, you test, and then you release, deploy, operate, and monitor. And once you are done, you start again, only better. Each stage improves the next one. It's the beauty of DevOps. If there is one thing DevOps really push its culture, teams don't work in separate corner anymore. They work together. Everyone keeps learning, everyone automate whatever they can, and everyone take responsibility for the outcome. And the most important, DevOps encourage learning from the mistakes, not blaming each other. So let's compare how things were before DevOps versus now. Traditional IT relied heavily on manual work, teams were siloed, released were slow, and issues were unusually fixed on only after something broke. DevOps flips that completely. Everything become automated, unified, faster, and more proactive. Let's talk tools because DevOps does not use a lot of them and each has its purpose. For example, version control, we use Git or GitHub or GitLab. For CICD, tools like Jenkins and GitHub Actions are most popular. Containers run on a Docker, Kubernetes handle orchestration, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP. Take your pick, you can choose anyone. Monitoring uses Prometheus or Grafana. Infrastructure as a code uses Terraform or Ansible. Don't worry, in this channel, we will learn all of these step by step. Let's look at some real examples so you can see DevOps in action. Netflix deploys thousands of changes every single day. Amazon updates its production environment every 11 seconds. Facebook uses automated canary deployments to safely roll out new changes. All of this is because of our DevOps automation and a stronger process. The DevOps mindset is really straightforward. Automate as much as you can, work continuously instead of waiting for a big release. Focus on learning, not blaming, and work together always. Once this mindset clicks, everything else becomes easier. If you are wondering about the career opportunities, trust me, DevOps open a lot of doors. You can become a DevOps engineer, a cloud engineer, a platform engineer, an SRE, or infrastructure engineer, or even Kubernetes administrator. All of these roles are in high demand globally. So what's exactly you will learn here on this channel? Pretty much the whole DevOps roadmap, Linux basics in Git and CICD, Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, AWS, GCP or Azure, monitoring login, and yes, real world DevOps projects too. The goal is to take you from the beginners all the way to the experts. And that's it for our introduction video. Thank you so much for watching this. In the next video, we will talk about what a DevOps engineer actually does day to day, a super important topic. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and a drop comment telling me why you want to learn a DevOps. I love to hear from your stories.